Hello everyone, मैं सब्बे भारी आकाश तिवारी and with me I have Rubina doing her 253rd interview, right? Or have I got the wrong numbers?
कैसे पता चला तुम्हें?
I've got my contacts. So Rubina, before starting the podcast, I need to tell you your team has already told me I've got 10 minutes. तो मुझे पूरा use करना है. And before starting the podcast, can you tell me like what are the most common questions people are asking you?
आपको कैसा लग रहा है बिग बॉस के घर से बाहर आने के बाद? क्या आप अब भी जैस्मिन और राखी से मिलेंगी? अम, अ, अ, तो और बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस है यार, जाने दो, तुम मत पूछना वो सवाल, ठीक है?
Okay, got it, got it. तो रुबीना आपको कैसा लग रहा है घर से बाहर आके?
आई फील लाइक किलिंग यू.
I'm so sorry, but yes, I'll try my best. So Rubina, as you said, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारे questions common पूछ चुके हैं. So what I want to ask you is, when you thought कि मतलब घर से बाहर निकलोगी, so what is that one thing you thought कि I'll do it, but अभी तक कर नहीं पाई हो?
Sleep like a baby.
Oh, okay, got it. Time लगेगा उसके लिए. Uh, but yes, Big Boss winner, बड़ा चीज है. As you said, you're still not able to sleep. बहुत टाइम से सो नहीं पाए, इतना सारा brands, interviews and stuff. So tell me, after winning Big Boss, like how did you set your team up? कैसे ये team बनाया? Because you knew कि मतलब बहुत सारे ये चीज होंगे, काम होंगे, time problems and stuff. So how did you set your team up?
ओके, मैं बिग बॉस के घर से बाहर आती हूँ
Hmm.
एंड देन आई एम फ्लडेड विद सो मेनी calls and media interactions and blah blah. It became so overwhelming, and then I had these fabulous people like now who are working in my team now. They came to save me from the overwhelming information floods that I could have had, and all I just said that I redirected everything towards them, and they kind of managed my life into a breathable space, because 4 5 months you are totally disconnected, and there is hardly any interaction. To kya matlab, no interaction, and suddenly now people want to reach out. I on a personal level want to reach out to as many people possible, to thank them on different platforms and everything, and so it becomes overwhelming in just given a period of time. So hence, I want somebody who can really, really do the management part, really, really can do the organization part, and can, a bit smoothen out my chaotic life outside Big Boss house.
Yep. I hope you get your sleep through your team. But I just want to ask you, like, did you get your team managed first only before getting into the Big Boss, right?
No, 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 no.
Oh,
When I stepped out, I realized I need people to really take care of me, else I'm gonna go mad. When I stepped inside, I did not have anyone. I said, यार रियलिटी शो करने जा रहे हैं, मतलब why have someone whom you need to be managed, or maybe PR thing to speak about you or anything. I wasn't of this idea or of this opinion. बाहर आके पता चला कि आपको you need people who can make your life easy, and especially after all these things, and my management skills have gone for a toss. हाँ, मैं नहीं manage कर सकती हूँ. I need people to just breathe some space for me here and there.
hard luck. But good luck to that. And so, Rubina, this is one question. If you want to avoid, it's fine. Matlab, this is one question which we ask to every artist, sports person, entrepreneur, national, international, whoever comes on a podcast. Like, as an artist, how do you earn? Like, how does Rubina Delak, as an artist, earns?
मैं एक छोटे शहर से आई हुई डेली सोप की दुनिया में अपने आप को उजागृत करती हुई एक्टर हूँ. तो डेली सोप इज माय ब्रेड एंड बटर, एंड दैट ब्रेड एंड बटर गॉट अ स्लाइस ऑफ चीज विद बिग बॉस.
Oh, nicely decorated words. And after Big Boss, कितना रैम्पेंटिंग कर चुके हैं?
Oh my God, the dividations and rampanting of the things and this and that. Listen, at one point in time you go cuckoo in the house, so it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. It's completely fine. I have fucked up in a lot of
Yeah,
interviews.
I'm okay. मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. बहुत सारे ऐसे शब्द बोले होंगे जो आपको समझ में भी नहीं आए होंगे.
Oh, yes. But yeah, your journey is amazing. I was trying to research as much as possible itne kam time mein, but it was amazing. How do you have come through everything before this also? And kudos to you. You're in the industry from more than 10 years. Okay. So जब ये अभी Big Boss से आए, one approach you have changed from you. मतलब जैसा पहले काम करते थे या पहले चीजों को लेते थे, now you have changed it. It can be professional, it can be personal. अगर professional होगा तो better होगा.
Give more time to my mental health than
Oh,
run after work. Yeah.
yes, yes. You look quite energetic after doing your 253rd interviews. So
That's the raz of my mental health. यार बहुत कुछ बोल दिया है. I mean, एक तो बिग बॉस की जर्नी में हर चीज with an open heart I've expressed. So I don't think so there is anything else. And of course, with every such interviews, I am thanking my fans to the best of my abilities and the best of my energies and the best of my potential that I can.
yeah, yeah.
So
Okay. Oh, by the way, fans से याद है, I have a friend of mine, Shobita. She's a huge fan of yours. हर दिन photos and all that support करती रही. So just say thank you, Shobita.
thank you, Shobita. Thank you so much.
Okay, and I don't want to drain your energy more, Rubina. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed with me, and good luck to you, and
Yes.
good luck to everything what's coming forward.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll give you last 5 minutes if you want to add on to any other question.
Your members wouldn't kill me, right?
That's in my hands, ultimately.
Okay, okay.
You've really asked a different set of questions, so I'm happy answering them.
Yep. Thank you so much. As you had explained before, also, ki, you had taken a back from films and all, and now you're just focusing on your daily soap, right? Ab cheeze बढ़ गई hai. You have won Big Boss also. Now you have a lot of things to work on, right? Your TV set, brands, stuff, and आगे जो भी projects आएंगे. What is that main criteria for every project of project film? You want to experiment yourself as an artist. You want to experiment yourself as a monetary gain. कहाँ से भी मतलब because Big Boss is now fresh. फटफट opportunity लेना है. What is your main thing? One more thing to add on. The second question to is, are you gonna work on yourself as an artist कि नहीं अभी फिलहाल थोड़ा time work ही?
Okay, good question. I've always been of the opinion, create a legacy of your own through your work, that the castle of fortune builds on its own. So money is the second thing. Then what was your second question? Sorry.
Are you gonna work on yourself as an artist, because there is gonna be a lot of work on yourself now, load करके.
Yes.
So are you gonna
Yes.
work on yourself as an
Now,
artist?
I am work in progress. There will never be a day where I'll cease to learn, cease to work on myself. So working on myself as an artist, working on myself as a better human being, that's an ongoing process, and it still goes. I wrap up like 1:32 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, in the morning, definitely. I take out 15 minutes before sleeping, before hitting the sack, and I read 2 pages of my book. So this is something I will never give up on. I will never stop being a student of life.
Oh, I love that reading part. It's very difficult. ना बोलना easy होता है, last के end mode में 2 page read करना,
Very
but
difficult.
that's how you grow. That's how you grow. Okay, Rubina, one last thing. Tell me one of those things which you do, मतलब इतने daily life में इतने सालों से you have done, that's help you subconsciously grow your art or grow your personality, because a lot of people have asked about कि Rubina has a strong personality, या Rubina का मतलब ये है वो है, very strong coming. So what is that one thing which you have done जिसके से subconsciously वो चीज grow हो चुकी है?
ये मैं आई रिमेम्बर ये चीज मैं बचपन से करती थी, और स्कूल डेज से तो मैंने ज्यादा करना शुरू कर दिया था. आई यूज्ड टू रीड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर.
Okay.
So as an artist, it has helped me articulate well. Reading is something that has helped me express myself more. So this is one thing that I really enjoy, and it has become a ritual that I do.
Okay, thank you so much, Rubina. Priya is already calling me twice. Please tell her that you gave me 5 minutes extra, वरना मेरी बाट लग जाएगी.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much, Rubina. And this is Sab Pe Bhari, Akash Tiwari signing off. Take care, Rubina. Good luck.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you.